Oh my god, when that woman said, this is your, this paper, you have to sign this, this is your...
Well.
Han, I'm talking. Hi guys, magandang hapon na sa inyo guys. Hapon na, hindi pa rin ako naliligo, kasi naliligo ako kahapon. Yeah, kahapon naliligo ako, so I'm still wearing the same thing, but I don't wear this in bed. But anyway, so I made some tuna. What is this? Okay, tuna pasta with tuna bake. It's baked and I put a lot of cheese in there. Let me turn the light on here. Look, it looks delicious. And I tried it, and I did try it. And look at these two dogs. Are you guys hungry or you wanna go outside? No. Dinner, and meron pang chicken from last night, so yun. Masarap naman yun, tuna, sarap talaga. Tinikman ko sa gilid, sarap. Nag-i-edit ako, pero gusto kong manonood ng movie ngayong gabi dito sa big screen, so i-on ko to. Drive on. Nakalimutan ko na ito eh. Roxy's nervous. Ayaw niya yung mga ganyang malalakas. Gusto ko lang manonood nito rush hour. So hi guys, I am still watching rush hour. This is part 2. I'm just done the part 1, and my pups are just behaving right now. They're not even making a noise, which is good. Good night, guys. Good night, everyone. I'm just watching Love and China. But I'm gonna continue editing. Have my laptop up here. I have my laptop here, and of course my phone is right there. And yeah, so that's really it, guys. I'm going to go to the bathroom and ready to say goodnight to you. Night. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye! Hi guys! Good morning! Maayong aga-aga sa inyong lahat. I'm editing. Well, I edit last night and the video is uploaded now, and I edit another video from last night to upload for Wednesday, that I can upload it here because it's faster than the other house, and it wasn't working. It kind of really, how do you call that? How do you call that? No time, because it's already less than 1 hour now. We have to go upstate because I have an appointment 1 o'clock over there. I have a driving test again. Hopefully I pass, or if not, you know what? Life, I don't know. If I don't pass, I don't know, guys. I don't really know. I got my result already the other day, and I wasn't vlogging when I have that. Okay. Tapos na akong bihis. Ito lang, sinapawan ko lang, nilagyan ko lang ng layer na ito. Hindi naman sobrang init kasi ang sleeveless niya hindi masyadong. Get down, Roxy. You don't want to get down. Look at her. Get down. Down. Bad girl. That's a bad girl, Roxy. And you know that. When Daddy know that, that's why you can't stay in the living room alone. Daddy won't let you do that. Daddy get mad. I know I have to stop you doing that then, because it's kind of really bad, Rox. Bad. I'm kind of nervous. I'm always nervous, hoping that I pass my exam with my test, driving test. Roxy, ha? Be a good girl, Rox. Sobrang ngit-ngit naman dito eh. Sobrang ngit-ngit. Kasi Mama and Dada won't be here. Well, Dada will be here, but you know.
Because they want to get the changing of the season, the colors and leaves change. So I had to guess that they don't have leaves that change colors in China.
That's good.
What do they do? I guess it will. And I don't understand what a big thrill is.
Yeah, it's so pretty, huh?
It's pretty. But if you see it all the time, it's kind of not overly thrilling. If you don't buy another house in Yonkers, and they keep part of what you get for your house.
That's ridiculous.
Yeah.
That means they want you to stay there.
That's right.
Why they don't change that law?
You know how much extra money they make just by people selling the houses and moving out of state?
Why they don't change?
Move to Florida?
Why they don't change that law?
I don't know. It's been that law for a long time. And the only place I know that does that. You know, I mean, other countries do things like in Jamaica.
Yeah.
If you leave Jamaica, let's say you're going to the United States, they only let you take so much money, $10,000. Everything else stays in the country. If you don't come back, it's theirs.
Yeah.
You can't take money out of the country. Costa Rica the same way. You can't take money out of the country.
It's crazy.
Well, it's not crazy. I don't want you to sit there and make money in this country and then take it and spend it somewhere else and lose their economy. See, we allow that crap.
Yeah. I be buying.
Back and forth with the trees.
Yeah, it's very nice going upstate this time because I think this is until usually December. There's no more
You
leaves.
point at the trees. You see
No
all
more
the
leaves,
colors.
right?
Yellow, red, green.
Yeah. No, because the leaves is very colorful.
This is the point when they're starting to die, and then they'll wither up and fall off.
Yeah.
And then the trees will go to sleep for the winter. It's pretty colorful now.
Yeah.
You know, just relax, be yourself, kind of thing.
So pretty in here. Right?
I don't know.
In 3/4 of a
Hopefully you have everything
mile,
you
take
need
the
to-
exit
Otherwise-
on the right to Route 9A.
Otherwise you're in trouble.
I'm in trouble. This is pretty here. Oh yeah, I remember.
Don't let Maryann do it. You'll be there forever. I'm joking.
Oh, now she's all.
You're a bitchy, bitchy, bitchy.
Now she's all happy. She's not like the last two times.
Yeah, well, she should be happy. I mean, I'm sure that after a while, if you gave her the fact that you've already done it a couple times, you know, I mean, that like you have to begin with. It's like looking for a job. You know, you don't get a call back. You hesitate to put that next thing in out there. I get it. Get it. One thing down. She doesn't have to worry about that shit anymore.
That's it.
Finally, my other hand is free because I'm holding the phone. Okay, what did you said?
So congratulations on your license.
Thank you, honey. I passed, guys. Oh my god, you don't have any idea what I've been through. What I've been through, like very serious, life to death. Anyway, it is like crazy. So I'm very like I'm nervous, but I like start talking to her. It's like when we get in the car, I said, it's very nice. it is a nice day now. It's just like the cold is, you know,
I swear I knew that girl. She looked like a girl who used to work at the Empire in Manhattan.
Really?
Yeah.
So I do that, and just very calmly, I'm thinking, calm down. I just have my cousin, you know, in the other, the passenger seat. I've been thinking it's just my cousin. I have to calm down, and she's telling me where to go to her house. turn there. Oh my God! I'm not even like, because before I feel kind of rushing. So now I feel like doing it very calmly and not rushing and not, you know,
Stressed.
yeah.
So I tell you, just relax. To focus on the person sitting next to you.
And actually, the parallel went really good. I'm really perfect in the how do you call that?
Parallel parking.
The parallel parking. It went good to the, how do you call that? The rail, the curb. So it's perfectly there. So backing up, I'm just very carefully backing up because she want me to back up a little bit. So I backed up, and then I said stop. And then when you're ready to, you know, when you're ready to, how do you call that? Pull away. You know, when it's safe to do.
So you go out.
Yeah, so you can do it. So I look like an idiot, like dong, like you know, pretend.
Like an idiot. Believe it or not, there's a time in your life when that saves you from accident. I guarantee it.
Yeah, I know, but it's really Home Depot here.
Yeah, and at McDonald's. No Walmart.
And also, guys, so I passed. So they gave me a slip. Oh, they gave me a slip of the receipt of whatever that for 90 days, expire 90 days, and she want me to sign it.
We're on 9. Walmart had to be here.
Yeah, it's right here. We passed it already.
We passed it. Thank God.
I think it's right there. You just keep going over there. There is a thing over there.
No, maybe it's on this side. Oh yeah, no, you're right. It's on this side. It's up fast and a lot.
Yeah. It's, oh my God! When the woman said, "This is your, this paper. You have to sign this. This is your."
Well,
Han, I'm talking. This is your license. Oh my God, guys! Did I say what? You know what I said to the woman? I'm so happy. Can I shake hand with you? Please, thank you so much. Oh my God, honey, like, oh my God, she kind of shocked when I said, can I shake hand with you? And she kind of shocked.
then she got her antibacterial cream and washed her hands off.
I said, can I shake hand with you? And then she did. I said, oh my God, thank you so much. She's right here. Thank you so much. Oh my God, I really appreciate it.
Westage Business Center.
And she kind of shocked and happy to see me happy. She's a nice one.
Get a ticket because they want to go 70 miles an hour.
Hi guys, finally I am home. Focus. Yeah, I am home, and I don't know what my husband did. He turned the heat on. Okay, so when we get home, the alarm is when banana, and so now is this time, you know? Hello?
Hi.
It's connected now?
Yeah.
Okay.
No. Alright. Well, you know what I'm saying, so I get this.
Okay, just drive very carefully, okay?
Yeah.
I love you so much. Try to, you know, just stay awake. I love you.
Love you too.
Bye.
Wow.
Because his phone, it won't connect to the car, and that's the only thing when he's calling, that he doesn't have to hold the phone. And oh God, it's kind of like I'm going upstairs because the alarm also upstairs, the beep 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 sound, it's crazy. And look, did you hear that? I don't know if you heard it, guys, but I'm gonna bring this very light. Hold on, guys. I can even just do it with my foot like this. It's very light. It's like a cotton ball. So okay, I'm gonna do this. Listen to me. I'm gonna listen it again. If it's inside the house, room or over there. Let's see. Let's see. I'll close the door. Oh, it's in the hallway then, because I don't hear it so loud enough. So it's in here. hello room. Filming room. I guess that's it for me. I'm gonna hear this beeping till next week, till Tommy pick me up. And I'm going to eat dinner early because I don't have lunch. So I'm just gonna have the chicken. Oh, I'm gonna make some rice. And look at the flower. It's kind of sad. I need to put water in this thing. Where's the thing? It's died. You can tell it's dying. Oh my god, I'm just gonna keep hearing this beeping forever. Here's the backyard, guys. There it is. Very pretty. I will show you the mountain, but yeah. Look how pretty it's done. Very colorful. This noise makes me nuts. Makes me crazy. And also, guys, we got this donut from bakery in Walmart. They have a bakery area, and we got the 3 different kind. Oh, before I forgot, guys, I received the result. Of my breast checkup. Everything is good. Thank God, everything is good. There's no changes. The woman that checked me up, she's right. But the doctor, the doctor have to, evaluate, look at it and stuff like that. So they send me back the result and everything is fine. And the same thing what the woman said, there's no changes and it's the same thing. So which is perfectly fine, but they want me recommended 6 months. I have to go again and check. It's freezing inside the house. It's freezing in here. And my skin. Oh my god. And I'm going to the bath after dinner. I called my husband and he kinda doesn't like the background of my background here because it keep beeping too loud and it's like doing your brain like that. So it's a AAA battery and we don't have any more AAA battery. So you know where I get the AAA battery? My husband said, oh, where you can get battery? Maybe there is something that you can take AAA battery. So this is the laser machine. There is 3 batteries, 4 actually. Holy cow, I've been killing you guys and you just keep coming back. This ladybug, it just keep coming back. It's from outside, guys. It's from outside. It came on here, that line over there, and they came in. I just killed a bunch of them. I'm gonna kill them. I have to go outside and do something about it. So hold on. So this is the inside the house. Okay, the inside the house is the number 1. So I want the inside the house to get 70. Right now it's 66. Look. Nakauna. Hindi pa rin kami bumili ng hindi pa rin kami bumili ng blinds. Just get out. May nag-comment na hindi nila maintindihan yung asawa ko pag magsalita. Anyway guys, you're not the only one. The same thing with me. Sometimes I don't really get it. Or the people that know him, sometimes when he talk, they can't understand. When he keep talking and then won't stop, that means you just like grumbling, like just keep talking too long and just like make everything short, and it's confusing and we have to ask him because he's like that. And anyway guys, this camera is blinking already, so it's gonna die soon. And yeah, so I'm just gonna finish editing for Wednesday's vlog, and I will see you in my next vlog guys. And I'm just gonna keep editing, reply comments, and thank you so much, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.